This is a regular cold drink can and this is a CanSat. Looks pretty similar, right? But this is actually a satellite. It can go up, collect real-time data and transmit it back to the ground station, just like a real one. And today I'll show you how I built it. I started with the main microcontroller, the Shaw ESP32C6. It's a tiny board but powerful enough to handle everything for this project. To keep everything compact, I soldered the header pins on the ESP32 and did the same for the MPU6050 and BMP280. But then I ran into a problem. The BMP280 does not measure humidity, so I had to add DST sensor. Now came the real challenge. How do I send the data over long distance? Because if the CanSat can't communicate with the ground station, it's basically useless. So I used the Lora module from React's Technologies. This tiny module can send data over kilometers using very little power, which makes it perfect for this project. Before making it permanent, I built the circuit on a breadboard just to make sure everything actually works. After connecting everything on a breadboard, I uploaded the code. And this was the moment I was waiting for. The sensor started collecting data and in every 2 seconds it was being transmitted and received perfectly to the ground station. Once everything was working, I moved the circuit into a 0 PCB and soldered it permanently. To power the system without depending on the USB, I added 18650 battery with its holder. Next, I designed the enclosure and sent it for 3D printing. After about a week, I got the parts and started assembling everything. But some parts didn't fit well because of my design errors, so I had to sand it and adjust them. I also repositioned the MPU 6050 to the bottom to simplify the layout. Now for the final part, first I made a simple parachute using A4 paper to test the design. Then I started making the final version using polythene, which is lightweight and also easily available. Then it was time to test. First, I did a ground range test. I gave a CanSat to my friend and asked him to walk farther away while I monitored the data. And even as he kept going, the signal just didn't drop. Now for the final test, since I don't have a drone or rocket right now, so I decided to drop it from a height. And this was the moment the parachute opened and the CanSat landed successfully. And also the data never stopped. And honestly, for the first version, I am really happy with how it turned out. But this is just version 1, so in the next version I want to launch it properly, maybe with a drone or even a rocket. If you want to see that, consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one.